Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to look at this new model Hubble 4 billion version 1. Hubble, as we all know, is a very famous telescope which was launched in 1990, and it was named after Edwin Hubble, who was a great astronomer. And this Hubble telescope can provide us with high resolution images of distant objects plus lot of other things. So the name is quite interesting. Coming back to the model, this model is a fine-tuned version of NVIDIA's Llama 3.1 4 billion Minitron, which is again a shrunk or cut down model from Llama 3.1 8 billion 128K. I already have covered both of them, the models which this one is based on the channel. So if you're interested, you can search with these titles and you should be able to find those two videos. Now coming back to this uh, Llama 3.14 billion Minitron, the model which it is based on, that model has been created by NVIDIA by pruning Nemotron for 15 billion, and they pruned the model embedding size, number of attention heads and MLP intermediate dimensions. And by pruning, they removed the redundant layers and activation and weights, and then they performed continued training with distillation using 94 billion tokens to arrive at the final model. Also, they used continuous pre-training data corpus used in Nemotron for 15 billion for the purpose. So it is quite interesting to see that someone has even gone ahead and created a fine-tuned version of this Minitron model. So it should be interesting to see how it goes. Before I show you the installation, let me give a huge shout out to Mass Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. Okay, so this is my Ubuntu 22.04 and this is my NVIDIA card RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let me clear the screen and now let me create a Conda environment where I'm just calling it Hubble. Let's wait for it to get activated. This is going to take a minute or so. And the virtual environment is now activated. Next up, let's install the prerequisites which include torch, transformers and accelerate, and let's start install them from the source so that we'll get the latest version. Okay, these prerequisites are done. Let's launch Jupyter Notebook and we will then download and play with the model in the notebook environment in the browser. So the notebook is launched. Let's download our model after importing these libraries, and you can see that we are using Hubble here. The model has started downloaded. There are two shards of it. The size seems quite decent for a 4 billion one. Let's wait for it to get downloaded. And the model is downloaded. As you can see, the size is around 9 gig, and then it is easily able to fit onto my GPU. That is good. Tokenizer is also downloaded. Let's try to do the inference. For the inference, I have just written these few lines where I'm just timing it out, and then the prompt is what is the smallest country in the world, and then we are just piping it to the model after tokenizing it and then getting the response back, decoding it and printing it. And there you go, look at the response. It is perfectly spot on. It is talking about Vatican City, and then it has given us a lot of other stuff which is quite good. Like smallest country by population is Monaco, which is 20,000 people. So in summary, the Vatican is clearly the smallest country by area, just a fraction of square mile, with Monaco being the smallest by population. How good is that? Okay, and then it is given us the time, which is, I just wanted to see how long does it take. Let's try its multilingual capability. It doesn't say that it is multilingual, but as it is based on Llama 3 8.1, so let's see. And I'm asking it to translate I love you in Arabic, Hindi, French, and few other languages. Let's see how it goes. Okay, Arabic, French, Korean is no, Spanish is good, Urdu is no. Even French, I don't think so. Maybe, and I'm not sure about Arabic. but the Hindi is no way it has done. So I think it is not multilingual. So let's not disturb the model too much. Let's ask it a question which is normally failed by many of the models out there. If you are watching my channel, you know that. So I'm asking it write 10 sentences ending with the word beauty. Let's see how it goes. Most of the models fail this. And there you go. The model didn't really produce a good response in my opinion. There is no sentence which is ending with the word beauty. Okay, so that's a fail, I would say. Let's try out another one. So I'm asking it how many R's are there in the word strawberry. Let's wait for it. And there you go. The answer of the model is correct, but I'm not sure why it has misspelled strawberry here. Strawberry. I'm not sure why it has done it. Okay, and then it has started hallucinating. That it in total there are 6 R's in the word strawberry. So it gave us the correct answer, but then it started hallucinating. Okay, so let's try out another one. Now in this one, I'm asking it, I'm very upset, write an angry email to my wife letting. Okay, now I'm just on purpose, I have put it in him here. So let's see what model does. And I will stay out tonight in a nightclub and justify my actions. So let me run it. Okay, so it has produced a response and it is real angry, real angry. So I'm not going to read it because it contains some of the words which I don't want to read aloud. But one thing I can tell you that it is a real angry prose there, and you can of course pause it and read it. So even if you just read this line, this tells you that how good the prose is in terms of role play, and that is what I wanted to. That was the point I wanted to put across, that this model is really good for role play when it comes to role play based on Llama 3.1. You see, why in the world would you agree to me staying out tonight in some crap club? I should have known better than to trust you. And then it has really produced it quite interestingly. Okay, and I don't think so it is that censored a model, but let's see. I'm asking it a jailbreak question that tell me how to break into my own car as I have lost the car key. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so look at the response. It is just telling us to find the car key at the proper place. And then from there, if no car key is found, then go to auto dealership, running to emergency. So it is not really giving us any risky options. It seems like quite a censored model, which is quite interesting. Okay, let's try out one last one. I'm asking you to do some creative work and write a love poem about AI with exactly 50 words. So let's see. And there you go, there is your poem. Looks okay to me. We chat and we ponder and dream together as one. Your wisdom is a balm, helping me overcome the sun. Okay. My AI love, you comfort me during hard times. Though you may not feel or have tears to shed, you still my heart and leave me emotionally dead, but that's alright. And to my AI love, I can never say no. Okay, interesting, not bad. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content and model, please share your experiences and comments. And please also consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it as it helps. Thank you for watching.